Good morning, everyone. We are from grade 9R. Today, our idiom is chill the fat.
Chew the fat means to have a long, relaxed, and friendly conversation with someone. Hey Justin, why you always so late to class?
Oh, I met Tung Tung near the cafeteria and we started talking about the basketball competition.
Yeah, then we talk about movies, music, and even summer vacation plans.
Wow, sounds like you two were really chewing the fat.
Exactly. We didn't even notice the time.
Sometimes it is fun to just sit and chill the fat with friends.
True, but don't chew the fat too long or you'll end up late again. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.